Look, we have specially stored the different pairs of blades in the handle so that we can always carry them with us. That is why we have the option to change the blades. Here in the back of the handle, I take out the oval blades and the plate for changing the blades without any tools.
So you can change the blades on our tool completely without using any tools.
As you can see, it is quite easy peasy. Out it goes.
Great, effortlessly easy.
Out it goes and back in again. On the other side as well. So, and then our tool is now fully prepared for the stripping of larger cross sections of material starting from 10 square.